Why do I get attribute error? NoneType object has no attribute something? I keep getting an error that says the code I have is too long to post here. What general scenarios would cause this attribute error? What is NoneType supposed to mean, and how can I narrow down what's going on?
NoneType means that instead of an instance of whatever class or object you think you're working with, you've actually got none. That usually means that an assignment or function call up above failed or returned an unexpected result.
You have a variable that is equal to none and you're attempting to access an attribute of it called something. Or both will yield an attribute error column NoneType.
Others have explained what NoneType is and a common way of ending up with it, i.e., failure to return a value from a function. Another common reason you have none where you don't expect it is assignment of an inch place operation on a mutable object. For example, the sort method of a list sorts the list in place, that is, mylist is modified. But the actual return value of the method is none and not the list sorted. So you've just assigned none to mylist. If you next try to do, say, mylist.append1 Python will give you this error.
The NoneType is the type of the value none. In this case, the variable lifetime has a value of none. A common way to have this happen is to call a function missing a return. There are an infinite number of other ways to set a variable to none, however.